Right, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And this is probably the first mod that I'm doing on the Mark 6 Golf GTI. So let's roll the intro and I'll explain to you exactly what I'm doing on the Mark 6 GTI.
Came back with a click clack, and a ting, that's it, that's fresh like a tic tac. Any pagan ops that are written down.
Right, so as you know, it's something I love to do is put wheel spacers on the Golf GTI. Oh yes. So I've got some wheel spacers that we're gonna go and get put on by Auto Tires Bolton, because they do all my tires and also wheel spacers as well. So I'm gonna go there, they're gonna go put them on. Maybe I might just paint my brake calipers as well. They need checking anyway because the brake calipers are sticking. So we're gonna head over there, but before that I'm gonna give you a before and after of what the car looks like without the wheel spacers and with the wheel spacers on. So let's make our way there, guys. Right, so obviously this car without the wheel spacers, we are gonna get to that as well. The rust, it's not too bad, but I think obviously putting spacers on, something I love doing, will make a big difference. See how it sits in, it'll just fill the gap, and I think it will look really good. So yeah, we're gonna head off to Auto Tires and get the wheel spacers put on. So let's go, guys. Right, here we are, Auto Tires, nice little Mark 7 GTI. We'll get that started later on. Obviously wheels are off, so we're going with, there we go, 12mm at the front, and if I'm correct, these are 15. Yeah, so we're going to go 15 at the back and we're going to go 12 at the front, and that should set it off. We're also going to paint the calipers, so that will be looking fresh as well. So let's go ahead and sort this out. So calipers painted red, that side's done. That was a new caliper, so if I show you around this side, okay, maybe not. Yeah, that was a new caliper. I did put a new caliper on, but we're gonna go over that as well. So we're gonna let all that dry, and then we'll stick the spacers on. We're gonna do the same for the other side, so I won't show you the other side, I'll show you just this side. Once the spacers on, repeat the other side, and then I will show you everything complete. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Right, so I've painted the calipers. We've got the 12mm spacer on the front and we've got the 15 on the back. So the boys are just gonna put the wheels on, put the studs in, drop it, and I will show you how it looks like once it's all completed. Right, so the wheel spacers are on, calipers are painted as well. So we've gone 15 on the back, which I think look nice, and then we've gone 12 on the front. They do stick out a bit, but I think overall they actually sit very nice. And yeah, like I said, obviously the calipers have been painted on the car and it actually looks very good. So yeah, it does look a lot better, it sits a lot nice. Maybe lowering springs in the future, but for now I think we're alright. Go ahead and end the video there. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Take care, and I will see you on the next video, guys.